Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install version 25H2 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code that is 0xc1900107. Now the first step is to simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can try to update. Still not working? Use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and if there is any update or install option you can install it from here and then check. Next step is to reset Windows update components. Now for this you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Type in notepad in Windows search box, open notepad, paste all the command over here, go to file, save as, and you can save it to desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wuauserv.bat file. Make a right click, make sure that you run bat file as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow and let the process complete. Now if you receive a prompt, do you want to continue this operation, type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. Now first of all it will stop all the Windows update components, and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan process will take some time, and once these scans are complete it will start Windows update services once again. And once this is complete it will close automatically, or once this is done you restart your PC. Restart is a must after this. After the system restart you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working? The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.